Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a new topic, principle of formulation of building blocks of face wash. So we have to study the formulation method and the formulation of the face wash, and we study about what's the principle of face wash and what is the use of face wash, what is the application, evaluation of face wash, and last but not the least, advantage and disadvantage of face wash. So let's start one by one from each topic, that is the principle. Simply, whenever we are talking about any cosmetic product or whenever we are going to study about any product, then there is a principle behind that from which it has to be generated. There is an idea behind any formulations for which it is needed. Basically, the word defines face wash. So face washes are the formulations which are used to washing the face. Face wash are used to eliminate the dirt, particles, grease from the face where when we apply some product or someone have the sebum secretion, so we have to cleanse it with some solution. So face wash is that solution that cleans our face with their properties. Now it can be medicated or non-medicated. Face wash can be medicated or non-medicated. Medicated face wash are those which are used to treat any skin problem. Non-medicated are for the general use. Now, face wash can be classified into different categories according to their work. Just like face wash for dry skin, oily skin, and combination skin. Basically, we have three types of skin textures. Basically, it either can be dry, it can be oily, it can be combination, somewhere dry and somewhere oily. So we have to formulate a face wash according to the skin type. Basically, in the dry skin, what the main problem is, the face is extremely dried out after cleansing. So we have to be prepared some soft humectant emollient in the face wash to maintain the skin moisture. The skin moisture should be remained after the cleansing the face. Now all the dirt particle, all the greasy particle and the micro particle that stuck on our face due to the exposure of the atmosphere. So we have to remove that. But at the end, after washing, we have to maintain the moisture content on the dry skin. So it cannot be dried out completely and it cannot able to make cracks or some irritated skin. Okay. Now we come to the oily skin. Oily skin have a problem with the extra sebum and extra oil secretes from their glands. So we have to clean the pores and oil secreted can be removed. This is the main concern for the oily skin. So in the dry skin where the skin doesn't have any moisture content on their own, but oily skin produces their own moisture, own humectant, own emollients in the form of skin oils on by on. So we have to clean the skin and make it dry after the cleaning so the skin can produce oil on their own. So it's for the oily skin. Combination skin, it cannot be dried out completely or neither oil get absorbed. So it should be a combination of emollients and cleansing factors. So Facewashes are marketed in the different formulations. Some have granules, some in the form of cream, some in the foaming face wash, some are come in the gel face wash. That is the all of the face washes are water based because we have to wash it with the water. Now what is the formulation method for the face wash? Before going to the formulation, we have to know what is the pH of our skin. It is the 4.5 to 6. This is the pH of the skin. We have to make any face wash that remains the same pH, so it should be acidic in nature. Now the formulation table that I write it down here has some ingredient that we use in our face wash. First is the ethanolic extract of the lemon, then ethanolic extract of the neem, ethanolic extract of the aloe vera, ethanolic extract of curcuma longa, then carbopol 940, then methyl parabens, then triethanol, amine, propyl glycol, and sodium lauryl sulfate. So here is general quantity we used in making any face wash. Now, when we are going to formulate, so we have to know, just like the lemon, neem, aloe vera and the curcuma longa are the main ingredient, active ingredient, which helps in the antibacterial, antiseptic, antibacterial properties and give antioxidants to the skin. Then carbopol 940 is used as an gelling agent and suspending agent in the face wash because face washes have a gelling consistency. Now methyl paraben is added as the preservative. Triethanol amine is used as an antifungal agent. Propylene glycol used as an buffer and humectant. Triethylamine is used as the buffer and the propylene glycol is used as the humectant. Now SLS is used as a foaming agent, then water is used as required. So this is the ingredient list. Now we have to use all the water based ingredient and add preservative to it and make a solution. Now in the other, we take all the ingredient and add it to the second beaker. So phase 1 and phase 2 are mixed together and stayed for the packaging. This is the method. And what is the evaluation parameter of the face wash? pH, viscosity, rheology, foaming, washability, and foam height. Spreadability, absorption. So these are the some evaluation parameters that have to be maintained at the time of formulating a face wash. Now, what is the advantage and what is the advantage and disadvantage of the face wash? Though face wash are used to clean the skin, to remove the dead particle, to maintain moisture content. These are the advantages. Now, what are the disadvantages? Disadvantage can be irritant to cuts and scars. So, this is the face wash we have studied. Now, next we are going to study moisturizing cream, vanishing cream, and the cold cream, their principle of formulation and what's the use and the application of the creams. Thank you.